Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Med Study. Today in this video we are going to see about developmental milestones, which is a very important aspect in practical pediatrics. So let's get started. This image depicts developmental milestones of a child which he or she achieves. Now coming to key gross motor developmental milestones. This includes at 3 months there is neck holding, at 5 months rolls over, at 6 months sits in tripod position, that is sitting with own support, 8 months sitting without support, 9 months stands holding on with support, 12 months creeps well, walks but falls, stands without support. At 15 months walks alone, creeps upstairs. At 18 months runs and explores drawers. At 2 years walks up and down stair with 2 feet per step and jumps. At 3 years rides tricycle, alternate feet going upstairs. At 4 years hops on one foot, alternate feet going downstairs. Now coming to key fine motor developmental milestones. This includes at 4 months there is bidextrous approach, that is reaching out for objects with both the hands. At 6 months there is unidextrous approach, that is reaching out for objects with one hand and transfers the objects. At 9 months there is immature pincer grasp and probes with forefinger. At 12 months there is mature pincer grasp. At 15 months imitates scribbling and builds a tower of 2 blocks. At 18 months scribbles and builds a tower of 3 blocks. At 2 years builds a tower of 6 blocks, vertical and circular stroke. At 3 years builds a tower of 9 blocks and copies circle. At 4 years copies a cross, bridge with blocks. At 5 years copies a triangle and makes gate with blocks. Key social and adaptive milestones. At 2 months there is social smile, smiles after being talked to. At 3 months recognizes mother and anticipates feed. At 6 months recognizes strangers and there is stranger anxiety. At 9 months waves bye-bye. At 12 months comes when called and plays simple ball game. At 15 months there is jargon. At 18 months copies parents in tasks, example sweeping. At 2 years asks for food, drink, toilet, pulls people to show the toys. At 3 years shares the toys, knows full name and gender. At 4 years plays cooperatively in a group and goes to toilet alone. At 5 years helps in household tasks, dresses and undresses. Key language milestones include at 1 month alert to sound, 3 months coos, that is musical vowel sounds, at 4 months laughs loud, at 6 months monosyllables like ba, da, pa, at 9 months bisyllables like mama, baba, dada, at 12 months 1 to 2 words with meaning, at 18 months there is 8 to 10 words vocabulary, at 2 years 2 to 3 word sentences, uses pronouns like I, me, you, at 3 years asks questions, knows full name and gender, at 4 years says a song or poem and tells stories, at 5 years asks the meaning of words. So this completes with the few key developmental milestones. So I hope you liked the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. Thank you.